to Mia's Land. Today I'm going to be showing you what my mom and my dad got me from TJ Maxx. They got me a hot cocoa DIY make your own slime. And my brother's going to show you what he got. So he wanted this forever. It's a poo thing and it's so cute. And it's so cute. He washed it right now, so it's like wet. These we got these at TJ Maxx. Also, it's really cute, and it has a poo right here. He decided to put like his cookies or something. It's a cookie jar. So it's like a cookie jar. These are really cute, so cute. But this is what he got. So here. But now I'm going to be making some slime. If I don't have time, I will do a part 2 on this. Or maybe but like some slimes don't turn out good for me. I don't know why. But I just hate when they don't turn out my way that I want them to. But I already opened it a little bit because I was deciding if I wanted to do a video or not. But I decided to. So we're going to start opening it. Oh gosh, this is not good. I hate when it goes like this. But okay. It's open. Right here. This is really hard. And I'm trying not to rip this because this is how to make it. Like what your ingredients to see if it actually comes with stuff. Or I could return it to get my money back. But I didn't know that my mom was going to get us this because, oh my gosh. This is the cutest thing. We got this at Tina. She went to an errand, so she just put the stuff. Oh my gosh. It's just so fun now, so I'm just going to pop these. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure what it smells. Mommy, look! Oh my gosh. So it came with glue. Oh, this is the activator. Right? I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I had a hard time figuring out what is what. So these are actually 2 bottles of glue. I'm facing this way for canoe. And then this was actually the activator. And then this one is the scented. It's like stuck in my nose. This scent. But it's this one. It's like chocolate. It smells like chocolate. And then we have, I think this is for the color, but it doesn't have any label of scented or anything. And we smelled it. And then it came with these little foam thingies. This little spoon. This little cup. You could actually use for hot cocoa maybe. And instructions. Yep, instructions. This is really cool because, yeah. So I'm going to start making it. So, let's see. Step 1. You have scented food. Oh, wait. Mommy! Okay, so I am back. I went to go tell my mom because we were not figuring out what is this. But it's actually food coloring. Okay, it says right here, it doesn't even say step 1, it just says like the ingredients or something, but step 2 is pour 1 into your mixing bowl. So mixing glue? Oh, okay. So we're gonna add some glue into this. We're gonna add some in our bowl. That was liquidy. That was so liquidy. I don't know why, but okay. I'm just gonna start to see if it's actually glue. This does not seem nothing like glue. But okay. Step 3, and I'll come back when I read step 3, step 4, and I'll be coming back. Okay, so I just read and it said to add the scent and the food coloring into the bowl and mix evenly until it's in our bowl. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I added both of them and then I'm gonna mix. It still looks clear. You see, it still looks clear. I'm gonna add more of the food coloring in. Not all of it. Well, okay, that should work. Because it said in here, it said add some of the scent and some of the food coloring into the bowl, mix until scent and food coloring or evenly into the bowl. Oh, it's kind of turning into a pinkish. Okay, now I'll be right back when I read number 5. There's no number 3. Number 5 and number 6. So I'll be right back. So I am back, and I didn't vlog this, but it was saying to put 3 or 4 drops of the activator solution thing, and I put 3 because when I put more than 4, it always get jelly and hard, so I only did 3. And when I was squeezing the bottle, this wasn't tight enough in it, and like the top came off and all of it fell, but I still have a little bit in there. So I'm gonna read number 6, number 7, and number 8 right now. But this is how the slime looks right now. Like, it looks like this right now. Oh, okay, I'll be right back when I read the 3 instructions. So I'll be right back. So I am back from a long time. I'll show my other pack to my mom. Like a long time ago that I got from the store. But this is how it looks now. It is really good. Just adding a ton of activator, I don't care. But I don't have a small container, so I'm just gonna use this one. And I'm gonna add some of these that came with it. I'm gonna add like oh my gosh. I don't know. Okay, I'll be right back. No. Is it just my hands? Oh yeah. I'm not sure if they're these, but they are squishy. I'm gonna add a purple, a blue, white, obviously my favorite color. I'm gonna show you after what I'm doing. A green. We need to add all the colors. There's only one pink. Well, I'm gonna save that. I just did this, and I'm gonna show you now. So I'm back, and this is like the container. I'm gonna try to fill it up a little bit. Did you fill it up again? So I'm gonna use my handy cup again to make it, and I'm still gonna use the instruction because I still don't know how to do it. So we're gonna add our glue. Again. You need to fill it up. Just add the whole entire container in. Sorry. Oh gosh, it's hard to squeeze. I don't want like the pop to come off, or just like the scented, or no, like activator. I have other scents that I could add to it with my other slime. Activator. Hope I don't add a whole entire thing to it. Oh gosh. No, I can't. I'll be right back. It's like stuck. I put some activator in, and now we're gonna. Okay, I'm gonna stir it. Looks like I forgot to do something. No, too much activator. I'll be right back. This is not turning how I wanted it to be, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, bad news. I was making it and I tried 2 more times and it just turned into liquidy. Comment how do you fix it? Because I followed the directions. The direction said first add glue. Did that. I added the food coloring and the scent to it because that's what it said. Mix it very well, and then it said to add activator. I put in the activator and I just stir it because it says stir it, and I was just stuck there. That's how it turned. I don't think you could see, but it's just like liquidy. So my mom just said to leave that alone and just do work on it tomorrow because I told we could have some fun tomorrow making slime. So I might like do a video on that also tomorrow after school. I hate school, but I'm just gonna have to do it because I just need to do it. And I'm gonna add everything that I have in here. My scent, my food color. Glue, I don't think it works, but okay, we'll just put it in there also. Then I'm gonna have to use a little bag with this for its own stuff because we